Hello students, we are going to discuss problem on model 1. The model 1 problem is based on composite sphere, okay, or composite cylinder type of problems. So here problem is like this. I'll read out the problem, what it is. An insulated steam pipe having outside diameter of 30 mm is to be covered with two layers of insulation, each having thickness of 20 mm. The thermal conductivity of one material is 5 times that of the other. Assuming that the inner and outer surface temperatures of the composite insulation are fixed, how much will be heat transfer be increased when better insulation material is next to the pipe than it is outer layer? So this is a problem. So what is actually he's asking is that we have to find out what is the percentage of decrease in heat transfer that we have to get calculated. To calculate percentage decrease in heat transfer, we must know two heat transfer we have to calculate. One is when better insulation is at the outside, another is when the better insulation at the inside. So both the case we have to find out, then only we can calculate percentage decrease in heat flow, okay, heat transfer. First case, so I'll so this is a figure like this. Here the steam is there, here inside steam, okay, the steam is inside that this is steam pipe, and this is better insulation, and this is a poor insulation, and radius R1, R2, R3 they have given. So between the R1 and R2 they have having some thickness, the 20 mm, and R2 and R3 between that there are 20 mm thickness. So if it is the case, what will be the heat transfer? So first case 1, when better insulation is inside. So from this figure we can write it as R1 is equal to 30 by 2 is equal to 15 mm and 0.015 meter, and R2 is equal to 15 plus 20 mm, that is 35 mm, is 0.035 meter, and R3 is equal to 35 plus 20 is equal to 55 mm, that is 0.055 meter. So now you write KB. If KB is 5 times of Ka, thermal conductivity, 5 times of thermal conductivity of the previous one. So heat loss through the pipe is given by heat loss through the pipe is given by is, we can write here Q is equals to 2 pi L T1 minus T3 divided by ln of R2 by R1 divided by Ka plus ln R3 by R2 by Kb. Okay, now we have to substitute the values for the equation. So Q is equal to 2 pi L T1 minus T3 whole divided by ln of 0.035 divided by 0.015 divided by Ka. So plus ln of 0.055 divided by 0.015 0.035 divided by kb is there, but this is 5 times of ka. That's why I written here kb is equal to 5 times of k, that I wrote here, this one. Okay, now, or we can write q1 is equal to ka 2 pi l t1 minus t3 divided by 0.8473 plus 0.0904. Ka 2 pi l t1 minus t3 0.9377. So we can calculate this one is 1.062 pi l ka t1 minus t3. This is q1. Okay, so the other parameter we don't know, we have to keep it as it is. Now solve case 2. Case 2, what it is? Okay, again steam pipe. So when better insulation is outside, then what will be the heat flow? That we have to find out. One, two, three. This one is steam pipe. This is better insulation. This one better insulation A, and poor insulation B, and this is the radius R1 20 mm, R2 R3, this is 20 mm. Then when Q2 is equal to 2 pi L T1 minus T3 R2 by R1 KB plus ln R3 by R2 divided by KA. Now we can again substitute, that is 2 pi L T1 minus T3 divided by ln of 0.035 0.015 divided by 5 Ka plus ln of 0.055 divided by 0.035. Okay, divided by Ka. Okay, so the Q2 becomes Ka 2 pi L T1 minus T3 divided by 0.1694 plus 0.452 Ka 2 pi L T1 minus T3 divided by 0.6214. Q2 is equal to 1.609 2 pi L Ka T1 minus T3. Okay, so this is the Q2 we got. Okay, Now with the continuation of this, what we have to do, by from the expression 1 and 2 we have to take the ratio, then we can see for the problem, for the continuation of this problem, from the expression 192 we have Q2 by Q1 is equal to 1.609 2 pi L Ka T1 minus T3 divided by 1.6066 into 2 pi L Ka T1 minus T3. So this ratio value becomes 1.509. So you can observe, as Q2 is greater than Q1, therefore putting the better insulation next to the pipe decrease the heat flow, therefore percentage decrease in heat transfer, that is Q2 minus Q1 divided by Q1. Okay, further Q2 by Q1 minus 1. Okay, so becomes 1.509 minus 1 . So 50.09 0.509, so I'll get 50% of decrease in heat flow, heat transfer. So this is the answer. I hope you students followed this problem. So thanks for watching this video.